In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a page into a reusable template in Notion. This makes it easy to recreate the same layout whenever you need it. Let's get started. If you want to share a page as a template, open the page you've created and click Share in the top right corner. Publish or share the page. Then enable the Allow Duplicate as Template option. Anyone with the link can click Duplicate to add a copy to their own Notion workspace. If you want to reuse the page inside your own workspace, move the page into a database. Open the database, click the New button drop-down, then select New Template. Give your template a name, then copy the content from your existing page and paste it into the template editor. Save your changes and your template will be available whenever you create a new database item. You can also set a template as the default for new entries by opening the New drop-down and choosing Set as Default if that option is available. That's how to turn a page into a template in Notion. Thanks for watching.